Hello and welcome back to the Lost Artistry Lash channel. My name is Anna and today I'll be creating an angel lash set. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a very soft, light and airy wet lash set. So I'll be working with all 0.03 diameter in around 3 to 5D. I also might sprinkle in a couple brown lashes as well because my client does have very light natural lashes and features, but I'll kind of see as I play around and get to know her lashes. So with that being said, let's go ahead and bring this set to life. Okay, so here is my general map going into the set. By the way, I planned all of this out on my Procreate app. So let's start off with my mapping. I decided to go for more of a squirrel eye map because she has a really unique eye shape and I've never lashed her before, and I just know that using a squirrel eye map will look good on anybody, so it's a safe route for me. As for the lengths, I decided to do 7 to 13 millimeters. Now, she does have a lot of brow space, and ideally I would want to fill that in with longer lengths. But because her natural lashes are so lifted, that's gonna push those extensions up and make them look longer than they already are. So a 13 millimeter is gonna look more like a 15 millimeter on her. What I plan to do is I'm gonna lash her entire top layer first, 7 to 13 millimeter, and then I'm gonna have her open her eyes so I can take a look at how those lengths look on her. And if I have to make adjustments, then I'm not committed. I didn't do the whole set and think, oh man, I should have bumped down my lengths or anything like that. So I'm gonna do the top layer first, get her to open up and assess how those lengths look on her. Once the top layer is complete, I'm just gonna do basic feathering from there. So feathering is where you add multiple different lengths in each section. So let's say I'm in my 13 millimeter section, I'm gonna add in some 11s, some 12s. I can add in as many lengths as I want. It just depends on how much texture I'm looking for. And like I said earlier, I'm probably gonna work with some brown lashes because look at how light her natural lashes look. I think that brown would just add in a very soft pop to the set and it'll just be very complimentary for her. By the way, I also switched my diameter to 0.05 because I'm gonna be honest guys, we don't have 0.03 right now. So I'm switching to 0.05 and I'm just probably gonna work with 3D for my dimensions. Aside from that, feel free to take a screenshot of all of my notes. Everything here is what I'll be doing today, and if I make any changes, I'll be sure to let you know. For my glue, I'm using our sensitized adhesive because it has a 2 to 3 second cure time, which gives me a little extra time to redirect my extensions if needed. And because Rachel hasn't had lashes in about a year, I just want to err on the side of caution by using a sensitive glue for her, so we can prevent the possibility of getting any irritation. Okay, so I've just gone ahead and finished the top layer. Rachel, go ahead and open up. Now let's see what we are working with. Okay, I'm actually really liking the length. Again, I used 13 on the outer corner here and 7 on the inner corners, and I think it's the perfect length. I use C curl. They're not too curly, not too straight, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in the rest. One thing that I've noticed as I'm working through Rachel's lashes is that she's got a ton of layers. So I'm gonna get to work on that bottom layer because it's gonna be very important that we get full coverage, especially because her lashes are so light. So if I miss any natural lashes along the bottom layer, it will be noticeable. So it's time for me to get to work and fill in this set. Also, if anyone is curious about the blue jar on the side of my client's face, that is called Freshie. And basically what it does is it absorbs any glue fumes that are in the air as they are attracted to moisture. So instead of the glue fumes being attracted to your client's eyes, it will immediately be attracted to the blue jar. So this just makes glue fumes less harsh for both you and your client. All right, so here is the result from our lash set. Honestly, I think it complements her so well. It's so beautiful, but it's not about what I think, it's about what you think. So go ahead and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe before you go, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.